they both tuxedo cats, and they look so alike. Nobody can recognize who is who. She knows who is who.
She knows who.
Yes.
That's funny.
Yeah, this is Maverick. She called him Makita. This is Maverick. This is Kira. So what Kira doing? Kira doing shh. What Maverick doing? He is that way. He's kind of like girl, like so annoying, like
He's a winner.
if he want anything, yeah, he's a whiner. But Kira, he is like warrior. Anything wrong, like shh. Anyway, but little one can't make a shh. I don't know why.
Oh, she doesn't hiss at all?
Nuh-uh.
Nice.
But another one, like everything, he won't shun me if I kick him.
Oh.
No, he liked to between my legs run away outside, and I said, no, go back home. Shh.
Are you going to have to do both ears again with that?
This computer work only on both ears.
Oh, okay.
I
I was
think
wondering,
she
did
will
you
do-
lose all your data when she unplugged your...
Yeah.
Oh.
See, we need to step by step to now,
Mhm.
but she just,
Yeah.
and it take very long time to start after she
Yeah.
unplug. She just wanna help, so
Yeah.
that's okay. We can survive.
We had to come do it again anyway, I guess.
Yeah.
Are you going to take
I think if it will not be her, we would do a second time, and it would be very fast because she fell asleep so good. In the beginning, she was breathing a lot. Maybe that's the reason why. But because she was staying behind and breathing on my neck, I can't. And it's
Yeah.
you know what the weird part is, she has 4 babies.
Yeah.
So she can stop
start
right
with
there
that,
and
yes,
go
I
here
can
because I asked her. I asked her to do, and nurse her asked her. She said, no, I will go. And then she's sitting and sitting and sitting like, and then, no, I have here.
Yeah.
So, okay, I came to her and I said, can I do? Okay, go ahead. So I started doing and she
And
came.
then she comes in.
Okay, you have 3 more babies.
Yeah,
then
go down there.
ahead and-
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very rude.
I agree. She's the worst swallower ever,
That
too, by the
thing
way.
looks
It's very
hysterical.
rude because
Did you see
usually
it?
pediatricians always give me.
Yeah.
Especially if they have
So-
several babies.
I
Yeah.
have to be asleep and then they attack these whole thing in her head, so they play noises and that triggers brain function. And it depends on how much she says.
So
that's
one day
how
they
it's
run
different.
into the office, yeah, but Saturday she
Yeah,
wanna go
yeah.
home faster.